Hi students, welcome. In today class we are discussing about to construct a regular polygons. So in our engineering drawing subjects in basics in UG level, okay. So default equilateral triangle, square, that is 3 sides equilateral triangle, 4 sides square, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 8 sides octagon, like that. Okay. So in default the 3, 4, 5, 6 sides also. Okay, the 8 side octagon also it is very rare. Okay, in basic level. So how to construct a regular polygon? Okay, we go for in today class. Clear? So first one, at various methods are there. Okay, from in under education itself by using some templates also is there. Okay, how to draw a polygons? Clear? Regular polygons especially. Clear? You go for that. So first one, to construct a regular polygons. Okay. So first one, in general 3 sides, 4 sides, 5, 6 sides. So 3 sides you know well, equilateral triangle, 4 sides square, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, like this. Clear? So that's what. So very simple in basic. So total, just assume you know well 360 degree, one complete circle 360 degree. So the 360 divided by 3 sides means divided by 3. How much? 120 degree. Clear? So the 120 degree, it is nothing but it is an exclude angle. Similar case, 360 degree divided by 4 sides, 90 degree. Here 360 degree divided by 5 sides, 72 degree. Here 360 degree divided by 6 sides, 60 degree. So this one. So by using the protractor you fix 120, 90, 72, 60 like that, you get that various polygons. For example, a polygon size, let us assume the polygon size is 40 mm. The sides, clear? 40 mm. So let us assume your 40 mm, A to B 40 mm, the size is 40 mm. So it is 120 degree. So the 120 degree is nothing but it excludes angle. So here to here 120, similarly both here also 120. It is 90 means here to here 90 right angle. It is 72 means this one is 72 degree. It is 72. 60 means this one is 60. It is 60. So outside extruded angle. So place the protractor. So place the protractor here, 120 degree here. So from 0, 90, 100, 110, 120 like this. Similar case you place the protractor here. So it is 0, 90, 120. So by using that you draw the line. Okay, 120 like. So it is 120. Clear? So you know this by using protractor 120 degree where it is. Clear? 120 means here, 120 means here. Clear? These 2 points. So you join it. Clear? So this size is 120 degree. this one also the size is 120 degree. You know well the total angle is 180, therefore this inside this size is 60. Clear? 60. So instead of this we go for, by using set square also we can use. You know this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, so it is the AB size line is there, you keep the set square here, this is the 60 degree line, you draw the line. Similarly case this 60, let us consider it is 60, you keep here, you draw them. So either it is a protractor or otherwise given set squares you can easily draw. Like that it is 90. How to draw the 90? Same, AB, the angle is 90, so it is vertical line, here also vertical lines, it is 40, here also 40, you know this, ABC, ABCD. Here the AB size the AB size 40 mm size. Next one is here 72. So here 72 means included angle is 180 minus 72, it is 108. Here also 108, here 108. So all included angles are 108. Similar case here 90 means here also 90, because 90 plus 90 180. Here 120 means inside 60, this one. Yeah. Similar case here it is 60 means total 180, therefore this size alone 120. So here 120, here 120, each 120, 120. Clear? That's all. So now the AB size they given 40, so it is 72 degree now. So by using protractor, so where is the 72? Here to here. Okay, so 60, 72 here, here also. Okay, from here to here 72. So here to here 72 like. So you draw the line. Okay, here also you draw the line. So how much size is the 40? So same 40 you take compass, you measure the size. Okay, this is the 40 size. So from A you mark it, from B you mark. Next thing, if you want means once again you keep here same 72, or otherwise for time consumption already know this is the size is 40. So from here A, B, this is C, D, E. So 40, so from here you draw one arc, from C you draw one arc. Okay, so you join that. Clear? This one. Understand? So this is the pentagon. Like that hexagon, a size AB of size 40. Okay. Next thing. So the extrude angle is 60 degree. So by using protractor or otherwise by using 30-60 set square. Okay, this size is 60, here also 60. So it is 60 degree. Yeah. So I keep here. Okay. So you draw 60 degree line. Same 60 degree line. Clear? You keep here. Just you draw one horizontal line. Because the size is 60 degree. Here also 60 degree. After completion of that one, the size how much? 40. So take compass. 40 as the radius, A as the center, intersect arc on that line. Similar case from B, intersect arc on that line. Next thing, once again if you possible, if time permits, you draw 60 degree line, or otherwise very simple, from A you draw vertical line, it is perpendicular to AB. Similar case from B you draw one perpendicular line of AB. Same here to here radius, that is 40. This is the center, this point is considered as a center. Here to here you intersect. Similar case from this point you intersect. So the intersection point here. Clear? Now you join this, that. So we get hexagon. Understand? It is one method by using angles. Another one more, it is case 1. Next thing, in case 2, by using semicircle method. So first, same the size 40 AB. So either from A or from B, you draw one, you extend from A. Okay, from A you take some x radius, you draw one arc, that is one semicircle. The semicircle divided into 3 equal parts. Understand? So semicircle divided into 3 equal parts means that is 180 divided by 3. Understand? 180 divided by 3. So how much angle? 60 degree. So from here to here 60 degree, another 60 degree. Clear? So 3 parts we get. So it is part 1, part 2, it is part 3. So always you remove 2 parts. You remove 2 parts for all the polygons. Okay, for example, in this case I mentioned the semicircle at A end, therefore you remove from left 2 parts. Clear? So just you remove part 1, part 2. Okay, remaining only one line is there. So that line you extend it. Clear? Next, AB size is 40. You take compass A as the center. You intersect arc on that line. It is C. After that, you join BC. It is 1. Clear? Similarly, here also, how much? 4 sides means AB. It is 40 size. Next thing, from A you extend it opposite side. You take some x radius, you draw one semicircle. The semicircle divided into 180 divided into 4 equal parts. How much? 45 degree each. So 45 degree, 4 equal parts. So 1 part 45, 2 part 90, 3 parts 135 and 4 part 180. Clear? So this is part 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? 1, 2, 3. So like that, same, first remove 2 parts from left. 1, 2 parts, remove it. So remaining, here one extension, here one extension is there. So take 40 as the radius. Okay, so take 40 as the radius, B as the center, you draw one arc and its intersect arc on that number 1 extension. Next, from here, that let us consider C. From here you intersect arc on that here, or otherwise from A you draw 40 size arc. It is D. So now you join it. So this one is square. Like 5 sides. AB of 40 size. Same. Your x radius. So the 180 degree divided by 5. How much? 36. Clear? So 5 equal parts. Part 1, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. 5. Clear? So here to here part 1, here to here 2 parts, 3, 4 and 5. Like this. So extend it. Clear? So you extend it, because remove 2 only, 1, 2. Clear? So therefore take compass, AB 40 size has the radius, you intersect arc on that here, it is C. So 5 sides means A, B, C, D, E. So same radius, A as the center, intersect arc on that here. Next one is from, it is A, B, C, D, E. So now E has the center intersect arc on this vertical line. Clear? After that you join all the points. So actually it comes inclined line like this. Clear? So part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 intersect here also. Party side. Clear? Like this. So this one is for pentagon. So you follow the procedure, you get perfect answer. Clear? Like that hexagon also. Clear? Right. Next one. So it is individual polygons. In a single problem, how to draw a polygon, n number of polygons. Okay, we'll discuss it next video. Okay, that is all in one, all polygons in, all regular polygons in single diagram. We discuss it next videos. Okay, thank you students.